Hello, 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 and welcome to Tips for Your Voice. Why do I teach? Well, basically, I love having my students reach their goals, reach their potential. Coming in, someone has a problem. Coming in, singing a song isn't so easy. That whatever it is, we start working on it, and I see that, like, maybe in a song, there's a problem, and all of a sudden, a light bulb goes on because we've talked through it, and voila, they're able to sing that song, not as an amateur, but as a pro. They hear the change in their voice. They've worked their muscles, and we've gone over exactly what to do. And that's the second thing. I give you the tools, and I'm so thrilled. That's why I teach, because the how-tos. And I wrote 3 things down. Number 1, ask the questions. You sometimes have the answers. I know what to say, and then I know what to give. Like I said, it's the how-tos. How to do it. If you don't get those how-tos, then, if somebody just says, you're not hitting the note, you've got to hit the note, and they keep going, well, how do I hit the note? Give specifics. And sometimes, not one specific, it doesn't work. Then you have another one, and then another one. Finally, you get things that work. But that only comes after time of teaching, knowing how to do these things, having an instinct that there it is. That's what I need to say. And I look at the person and check them out, my babies, my students, and then there it is. The answer comes. That's what they need. That's what you need. I find out what you need, and you get the answer. You get the how-tos. You get to reach your potential. And my third thing, there it is. It's a great journey. It's a journey that we take together. That's why I teach. I get the kudos because you're reaching your potential. You're getting better. You're growing. You're feeling more confident. It's great. It's just thrilling. I'm with my students going, yay! Because why? Because the journey along the way, there's that, wow, I really can do this well. Wow, I really can hit that note. Wow, let me see. Okay. And applying. Then you take that and you can go home and you can do it yourself. You got it in your bag of tricks there. No, I'm going to do this here. I'm going to go nasal there. No, I'm going to reach that note. You know what? I got to think about this. I got to think. And all of these answers are there that you can use. You take it with you and you move on in your life with happiness because you're doing what you love. That gives me the jollies, honey. I am so happy. That's why I teach. I'm thrilled. I am fulfilled because I'm fulfilling you. All my students. And a lot of them come back. I've taught some people when they were really young. I had somebody, I think they were 6. And they came back. Now they're, I think, 21. And they came back. They had to do something, a song for someone. They came back and we worked on it. But they knew so much. Yeah. No, I know what to do there. And then I gave them other tips for performing, but they knew so much that carried them through these years. And they didn't forget. They came back because they knew I'm going to be able to give them this other forward movement in their lives. But they could move for an awfully long time with what we went over before. I've had another lady that came back. I think she was like early teens, 10, 11. She was in her 30s. Oh, she was gorgeous. She came back and wanted to sing a song for her boyfriend. Isn't that neat? And we did it. We got over that song. It was so good. And she was beautiful when she was singing. So mature now. And I got to see this. That's why I teach. That's amazing. I even got to be a mentor for one of my students that I taught. And I still see him today. And he's just so handsome and so, such a good guy. So grown now. That's why I teach. I mean, isn't that neat? That's neat to see. They're my babies. I get to see my babies grow up. So many come back. And a lot of times, right, like maybe right now, one or two of my babies, or maybe even more, are watching this. You better connect with me again so I know what's happening in your life, because that's important to me. It's not only to teach you how to sing, and you guys know it. It's your life. I coach. I don't just teach, I coach. So I see you as a person that okay, have good morals, have good standing, stand up straight. You've heard that one before, huh? Yes. Stand up straight. What are you thinking when you're singing? Are you telling a story? It's so rewarding. That's what I teach. So I had to tell you this. It is so fulfilling. My heart, my mind, and my spirit is filled because I'm doing what I'm supposed to do. This is one of the things that God has me doing. And I'm doing it all the time, as well as singing myself. Love it. Gotta do it. Now listen, I love you guys. Leave your comments, and the Almighty subscribe. And soon, I've got to tell you, you're going to end up thinking, I hope, about continuing your education. That means coming to me for lessons. What's holding you back? Okay? So, you can do them online. If you're close by, come on down and do them one-on-one in person. You can do them one-on-one online, maybe a group, the membership. You can join a membership with me. There's so many possibilities. Go to marquitawaters.com and give me your email. Get moving. I've got lots to share, lots to give you. You are my babies, okay? You have a wonderful day. Ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba. Because it's such a day, yeah. Such a mighty fine day. Hey, hey, hey.